Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to check oxygen level in aquarium. Maintaining proper oxygen levels is absolutely vital for the well-being of your fish and other aquatic inhabitants. When oxygen levels drop too low, your fish can become stressed, making them vulnerable to illness. Understanding how to monitor this critical parameter helps ensure a thriving and healthy environment for everyone in your tank. Pay close attention to how your fish are acting. Their behavior can tell you a lot. If you notice your fish congregating at the surface, gulping air, or moving their gills very rapidly, it is a strong indicator of low oxygen. Lethargic movement or hiding more than usual can also signal a problem. Sometimes, cloudy water or an unusual smell might also point to an issue with aeration and oxygen saturation. One common and effective method for checking oxygen levels is using a chemical test kit. These kits usually involve collecting a water sample, then adding specific reagents that react with the dissolved oxygen. You then compare the color of your sample to a provided chart to find the oxygen concentration. For most freshwater aquariums, a healthy dissolved oxygen level typically falls between 5 and 8 parts per million, which is considered optimal for fish health. For even greater precision, consider a digital dissolved oxygen meter. These handheld devices utilize a probe that you simply immerse into your aquarium water to get an immediate electronic reading. Many models also provide a temperature reading, offering more comprehensive data at a glance. While they are more expensive, their accuracy and ease of use are significant advantages. Just remember to calibrate them routinely for consistent reliability.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.